Hello. Okay, so today I'll explain you what I want to do by drawing it. So maybe just to show you. So this code that I write the last time merges data sets that I have, those individual ones that puts all of them together as one big data set. Okay. With the index continuing. So I have 999. I have 1000 rows in each data set. So the index continues. Okay. So what I want to do is to add, let's say, another column here, or another column like left of R, saying maybe this data recorded in session 1, recording session 1. And then on the left of that, I want to record another column that has some different type of label for the data, because I want to group the data using those different labels. So simply put, I want to add columns to my data, to my data frame. And I want this kind of to be, those names to be not automatically set, but somewhat maybe semi-automatically. Because I want to give names, I want to input the first column. But the second column I'm going to add today will be maybe that I can also put by hand. Okay, okay, today I'm not doing something too hard, but let's see if I can do it. So I'm gonna add a column. Okay, adding a column to my data. Let's look at it. Okay, what if I want to add this to the beginning? Can I do that? Or is it important? So here in the first method, we added we define the string and then we set the column name and then we said, okay, this will be the information for that column. At any position, okay. Okay, that was Bahar. She was saying something. Earlier today, we tried to making chocolate mousse at home, and we let it chill in the freeze in the refrigerator. And she gave me just a little bit of it. She gave me a bite, and it was pretty good. But it's packed like tons of calories. So be careful eating chocolate mousse. Okay, so I think the second method, data frame insert, works better for me. So it gives the freedom to add a column at any position we like and not just at the end. So in that we have a data frame and then we say data frame insert. It says to, maybe the add does it mean add this? Add this as a third. So that's the index. Second means two means third position because this is first 0, 1, 2. So it's actually third. Yes, and what is true for? Okay.
And I will give this just a minute to install, and then we'll be back. All right, so you'll see that this has now finished, and it helpfully gives us this little command here. So to activate.
What the hell? Okay. Stay calm. Oh, there's a third method. I don't want to create a new data frame. Okay, assign, insert. So data frame. What is that? What is that true? Okay, if you set it to false, it won't allow duplicate frames. Good. So then what I want to do is, let's say I want to add okay. So I'll do this. search as 0. Here, the column name. And then the values. And the values will be, now I have to create a loop. It will be for each one, I will say no clear. What happened? Then we should save. Oh, 0 already. Ah, never mind. I am wondering one thing. Okay, you can define as a okay. Good. 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 Noise. Okay. I will. Awesome. That's it. That's it. All I want to do now. Um, of course, it's not going to be that straightforward, but that's good enough for today. Okay, so save that. Delete that. Nice. Oh, maybe. Okay, this will be for my. Um, I know I'm done, but I'm going to explain the problem again. like what I did today, what I was trying to do. I was trying to add a column to an existing data frame, right? Um, and name it, give it a column name, and then fill it with information. So this is, that was my goal today. And I'll just quickly recap it for my, um, not for the video series that I've started to record just a few days ago for my Python quick fixes videos. So, okay, let's say you have an existing data frame and you want to add a new column to that data frame, but you also want to specify exactly where in the data frame you want to add this column. The way to do it is you're going to use the insert function on your tracks on your data frame. So my data frame name is tracks dot insert, then parentheses. You're going to define the index of the column. So I want to add this to the, just like I want this to be the first column. So I put index as, I put 0 as my index. And then you're going to describe, okay, what the column name will be. It's going to be life stage. And then you put the list, which will be what the columns will be filled with. So here, I wanted to add a label for the life stage, and I put it as a list, and actually I used a list comprehension to create my data on the go. So I said, okay, put nuclear string in the cells. Basically, this is what I said. And I wanted the length of my track, the length of like, I described how many times this process will be performed, and I set it to the length of my data frame. So length of my data frame, let's say this is the range. So for I in range, which is 4,000 in this case, or yeah, so put knob there 4,000 times, which is the length of my data frame. That's it. This is how you're going to insert a new column into your data frame. Okay, guys, so see you tomorrow.